Coach, hey, teach me.
Teach you what?
Teach me order block.
Order block?
Show me how it's done. Give me some examples. I would like to use it on my trading.
All right, got you. Let me show you.
Thanks, coach.
So first of all, ano ba ang order block? See, an order block happens is when a institution or mga malalaking players sa market, they're trying to put in a big order, either an order pa-sell or pa-buy. Ngayon, syempre, hindi nila pwedeng ilagay yun ng isang bagsakan, kumbaga. So they have to break their order into smaller orders, which what they call order blocks. Ngayon, pagka na-fill in na yung mga so-called small orders nila, doon pa lang tayo magkakaroon ng some kind of breakout. Okay? So, eto, for example, bigyan ko kayo. One way to spot in an order block is pagka makita kayo ng mga price na nagko-consolidate or nagsa-sideways na ganyan. Okay, kaya ang market is consolidating. Meron silang iniipon na pera. Either money pataas, pa-buy, or pa-sell. So ngayon, these so-called consolidations are actually blocks of orders. Ngayon, ang purpose niya is once the market breaks out, merong specific tinitingnan tayo na specific price action sa ganitong kind of market combination. Okay? Ano yon? So, eto. We're gonna go look at a chart real quick. Okay. Now, let's take a look at this area right here. Let's highlight this zone. Ayan. Pero make it, teka, send backward natin yung picture. Okay, so let's look at this specific area right here. As you can see, the price is nagko-consolidate. Okay, nakikreate siya ng mga order blocks. Ngayon, according sa rule ni ICT, which is the guy who claims na siya ang gumawa ng smart money concept, the order block is the opposite candle before a breakout. Okay, either breakout pataas or ano. So in this case, tingnan natin kung ano yung breakout na mangyayari. So let's move forward a little bit. Ayan. So nagkaroon tayo ng malaking break pababa. Okay? And now, what is the opposite candle before the break? Alin dito? So it's this one right here. So let's highlight it. Ayan. So ngayon, as a trader, hina-highlight natin yung specific candle na yan. Ngayon, why do we highlight it? Kasi it becomes some kind of magnet or some kind of supply and demand that this price may be retested. Kaya natin highlight maybe somewhere down the line or in the future, pwede siyang balikan like this. Pwede bumalik yung price dito and then mag-continue siya pababa. So on this case, nangyari ba? Let's see. Boop. As you can see, the price retested the order block, which became a selling entry for sa mga traders dyan kasi na-touch siya. And thus, the market continued pababa. And that is the simple way to use order blocks.